Hello everyone, welcome to yet another update from Aero India 2021. I'm now at the ADA stall. Just going to give you a quick glance of all the exhibits here at this stall. And here you have the TED-BF, the twin engine version. We have spoken about in the programs recently. So this is going to be a very exciting program in the coming years from the hangars of ADA and HAL and Indian Navy. So you can also see the folding, though this is one of the features, the folded wings. This is most of you have seen the Mark 1 trainer of Navy, the single engine one. So with the tandem seating, this is a very familiar machine to most of you. And this is the Tejas Mark 1. You can say the Tejas Mark 1A, and which has got all these features like the refueling probe. So almost when the Tejas Mark 1A comes out, it will certainly look almost like this. This is the Tejas Mark II. This is the latest model that they have unveiled here. We have shown you almost the same one just ahead of Aero India. So this is the LCA Air Force Mark II, the program that has got tremendous potential. That program that we have reported quite extensively over the years. AMCA, a program of the future, a program that has taken tremendous leaps ahead in the last 1 year, despite the pandemic breaks. This is a program that will be in the news in the current year, and as we go ahead, lot of technologies at this ADA stall, lot of future technologies you can see, as if you could show around a close-up of what is being displayed here. The one and only Dr. A.K. Ghosh, the man who has been spearheading the AMCA program over the years. You heard him just ahead of Aero India on our channel. Here we are for a quick bite.
Yeah, first of all, I must thank you. The interview went on very well. And today you can see that we have put a camouflage color, a 1/4 scallop model. And you can see, because lunchtime it has come down, otherwise all the crowd is flocking around taking photograph. We are having a real difficulty in managing the crowd, and there is a big queue of taking a photograph along with this.
Right. So if we can tell, just for the benefit of viewers,
See, here, this 1/4 scale model, we are showing a non-stealth mode also. So you can see that there are various external weapons which are to be used. Some of them representative ones have been shown here. There are two kinds of operation it can do. It can do a stealth missions, and when the requirement of stealth missions are over, it does a non-stealth mission. In non-stealth mission, the radar cross-section is not that important. It's important, but not that like stealth. And there we can carry the external weapons. And this has been put a camouflage color so that the seekers, it breaks the pattern. It's difficult to see.
that was a quick update. There are a lot of people queuing up to interview him. Thank you so much. All right, so now still inside the ADA stall, and this is something very fascinating. We have reported a couple of weeks back about AMCA, and now I'm sitting on the side of the AMCA cockpit simulator. And with me is a youngster, Vijay Rakhav, who will now take the controls and explain the features to all of you.
This is basically futuristic AMCA cockpit simulator. This is being designed for getting the inputs from all the Indian pilots who are from 3 to 97 percentile we are designing. It is the smart cockpit designed basically for ergonomically to suit the Indian pilots, all Indian pilots. So basically we are having the advancement from the LCA cockpit, and we are developing a large area display which is of a 8 by 20 in size, and we have a dual combiner HUD, and we have a backup display. Even if it fails in the large area display, we can cater the uses of this modular functional display. This is MFD. So we have a simulator which is a 1:1 ratio. This is the first materialistic AMCA cockpit which you are sitting. So it is basically a 1:1 scale, which means this is going to be exactly you will be going to see in the future AMCA.
So exactly the same, that's what Vijay says. So if you could come and pan into the cockpit, and maybe you could explain a little bit of this inside the cockpit. What are the things that you have now displayed?
Actually this is called HUD, head up display. So pilot heads up, then you can see a display which is a display with the values, what Mach he is flying, what speed he is flying, and what is the elevation level he is at, and what are the cross puzzlings which data links he is getting. Everything will be displayed here, and all the data links, which means your GPS, control, navigation, which altitude you are in, what is the temperature outside, everything is being displayed in the large area display. So people are fascinating to put this large area display, and here we got it, indigenously made one. And then there's a backup display which is of a 6 by 8. For a medium combat aircraft, this is a huge one we can accommodate. So we had many iterations in designing this. And we have a side control stick. In LCA you can see a center control stick. This is a side control stick as a major leapfrog in the technology and advancement in the aircraft. And we have a HOTAS, that is a hand-on throttle and stick. So which means you can throttling, you can do. So this is how you can pull the sideways, and you can do the controlling by mapping to your this thing. Everything control panels over here, these switches, and this is the landing gear switch up and down, and you can controls all are as it is in the realistic aircraft. So we are going to give this to the pilots once the air show is over. Then they will give their inputs, and we'll upgrade on their inputs. We are not going to compromise on anything which is related to pilot's comfort. So we are going to give a comfortable cockpit and a smart cockpit for a Indian Air Force.
All right, so we are not going to compromise on any of the comfort features. This is going to be a pilot delight. We are going to give whatever the pilots want. So with that positive note, signing off from this futuristic AMCA cockpit along with the young man Vijay.